The Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra will go on sale in limited quantities from July 7th. The Mi 11 Ultra was launched in India back in April, but the phone has not been available on open sale in the country. Xiaomi has now begun accepting registrations for the phone on their website. Prospective customers will have to purchase a Rs 2000 gift card to guarantee a chance to buy the phone, for which they will also get free screen replacements, merchandise, and a Times Prime membership. Customers can also participate in the company's Ultra Challenge, which can grant access to the sale through 3 challenges users can participate in via social media. According to a tipster who goes by @FrontDrawn on Twitter, Samsung could launch the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Galaxy Z Fold 3 devices at their next Unpacked event, which will be held on August 11th. The Galaxy Buds 2 and the Galaxy Watch 4 are also expected to debut at the event. The Galaxy Watch 4 will run Samsung's new One UI watch interface based on the new Wear OS developed in collaboration with Google. Samsung reportedly began production of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3 earlier this year in order to have enough inventory amidst the global chip shortage. According to tipster Mukul Sharma, the OnePlus Nord 2 smartphone may launch on July 24th. The phone is expected to be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC and feature a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate along with a 4500 mAh battery. For optics, it may feature a 50-megapixel triple rear camera setup and a 32-megapixel front camera. According to a tipster, the OnePlus 9T smartphone will launch in the third quarter of this year. The OnePlus 9T will also allegedly sport a 108-megapixel Hasselblad branded quad rear camera setup as opposed to the 48-megapixel primary camera seen in the current OnePlus 9 series. The tipster also claims that the OnePlus 9T will run ColorOS Global 11 as opposed to Oxygen OS. OnePlus recently announced that their Oxygen OS codebase will be merging with Oppo's ColorOS skin as part of the company's larger merger with Oppo. It is unclear at this moment what exactly will change with regard to Oxygen OS. The recently launched OnePlus Nord CE 5G smartphone has begun receiving the Oxygen OS 11.0.4.4 update in India. The update brings the June 2021 Android security patch along with some camera and system improvements. OnePlus has improved front camera performance, reduced noise in the dark areas of Nightscape mode, and optimized the video call experience. The smartphone has also received an improved face unlock experience, improved charging speed, and improved system stability along with fixes for known issues. Users can manually check for the 172 MB update by going to Settings, System, and then System Updates. Ride-sharing app Ola has officially announced its electric scooter, which is expected to launch in India this month. Ola CEO Bhavesh Aggarwal tweeted out a video of himself riding the scooter around Bengaluru streets. The company has not shared any concrete details about the range, battery capacity, or charging speed of the scooter yet. Ola has, however, announced its plan to install 5,000 charging stations across India by the end of this year and to install a network of 1 lakh hyperchargers across 400 towns and cities in total. Reports suggest that Ola will target the 125cc scooter market in terms of price range. The Nokia G20 will be available to pre-order in India starting July 7th, an Amazon landing page for the phone has confirmed. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G35 SoC, the phone sports a 6.5-inch HD Plus LCD display. It comes with 4GB of RAM and up to 128GB of storage. In terms of optics, there's a 48-megapixel quad rear camera setup along with an 8-megapixel selfie camera. Nokia has packed in a 5030 mAh battery with support for 10-watt charging. Pricing for the Nokia G20 begins at Rs 12,999 for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. According to a new report by 9to5Mac, the upcoming iPhone 13 series may offer the ability to wirelessly charge other devices. The feature, already seen in some Android smartphones, allows the phone to charge other smartphones or true wireless earbuds. The iPhone 13 could also be getting a larger wireless charging coil along with larger magnets for easier MagSafe functionality. Earlier reports had indicated that the iPhone 13 series will be getting some camera upgrades, including an improved ultra-wide lens for the Pro models with the ability to autofocus. Motorola's upcoming lineup of smartphones has been leaked by tipster Evan Blass. The Motorola Edge 20, Edge 20 Lite, and the Edge 20 Pro are tipped to launch in July. The flagship Motorola Edge 20 Pro will reportedly sport a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a Snapdragon 870 SoC along with a 4500 mAh battery. For optics, there may be a 108 megapixel triple rear camera setup and a 32 megapixel selfie camera.